A serger, also known as an overlock machine, is a type of sewing machine that is specifically designed to finish edges and seams on fabrics. These machines are essential for anyone looking to create professional-looking garments, home decor, and other projects. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced sewer, these machines will help you achieve professional-looking results every time. In this video, we will be highlighting the top 5 best serger machines on the market based on features, performance, and customer reviews. Number 1 on our list: Serger Professional 14T968DC Serger Sewing Machine. The Serger Professional 14T968DC is a top-of-the-line serger machine that offers a wide range of features and capabilities for both professional and home sewers. This machine is designed to handle a variety of fabrics and projects, making it a versatile choice for anyone looking for a high-quality serger. The Serger Professional 5 Serger is a versatile and powerful machine that offers a wide selection of stitch options for all types of projects. With 2, 3, 4, 5 thread capability, this serger provides professional results every time, and its ability to sew, finish seams, and trim excess allowance all at once makes it a time-saving tool for any sewer. One of the standout features of this serger is its speed, with the ability to sew up to 1,300 stitches per minute while trimming and overcasting. This makes it a great option for those looking to finish projects quickly and efficiently. Additionally, the decorative flat lock and easy rolled hems options add a professional touch to garments and home decor projects. This serger also offers a range of adjustable settings, including an adjustable cutting width, stitch length control, and self-adjusting tension system. The color-coded threading also makes setup and threading a breeze, allowing for creative freedom and ease of use. However, some users have complained about the complexity of the machine, but in our experience, it was smooth and easy to use as long as the threading is set up correctly, following the guide and reference chart for each stitch. It's a perfect machine that combines serger and cover stitch functions. The Serger 14T968DC serger is designed for both home and professional use. It is capable of handling multiple layers of heavy denim fabric, but may struggle with thick fabrics such as upholstery. Additionally, this machine does not have the feature of presser foot pressure adjustment, so using excessively thick fabrics may cause the presser foot to lift and disrupt the tension. Overall, the Serger Professional 14T968DC is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality serger machine. With its wide range of features, capabilities, and versatility, it is well suited for both professional and home sewers. While it may be more expensive than other models, it's worth the investment for its many features and capabilities. Coming in at number 2 is the Brother 2340CV Cover Stitch Serger Machine. The Brother 2340CV is an advanced serger that offers a wide range of capabilities for users to create professional and decorative cover stitches on multiple types and weights of fabric. This machine is designed with advanced technology that makes it easy to use and produces high-quality results. One of the standout features of the Brother 2340CV is its flexibility in creating both constructive and decorative applications. The wide and narrow cover stitches, tri-cover stitch capability, and easy looper threading system make it easy to create professional hems, chain stitching, and decorative stitching. The color-coded threading and adjustment dial also help to provide higher quality stitching. In addition to its advanced features, the Brother 2340CV also offers a presser foot dial, snap-on feet, and a differential feed that allows users to adjust the stitch length and speed of material flowing through the machine. This makes it easy to create durable strapping for dance garments and swimsuits, or a chain stick finish for hems or belt loops. One of the most convenient things about this machine is how easy it is to thread. The looper thread is easy to release, and the machine automatically pulls the needle threads through to the bottom and knots it itself, making it easy to trim the threads and finish the project. The machine also comes with a clear foot that makes it easy to see what you are doing and ensures a nice, even hem. Overall, the Brother 2340CV Cover Stitch is an excellent choice for those looking to take their sewing game to the next level. It offers advanced features and capabilities that make it easy to create professional and decorative cover stitches, and it is also hundreds cheaper than the Juki This serger is a great choice for those looking for a reliable and easy-to-use machine at a reasonable price. It is the best second choice in our top serger machines list. In number 3, we have Brother 1034D Serger Overlock Machine. The Brother 1034D Serger is the perfect choice for beginners looking to make their sewing experience more enjoyable. This machine is designed with the beginner in mind, featuring an in-depth diagram for threading and well-written instructions. One of the standout features of the Brother 1034D is its 3/4 lay-in thread system with lower looper threader. This allows for a variety of stitch options, including 4-thread overlock, 3-thread overlock, narrow hem, rolled hem, and ribbon lock stitches. Additionally, you can purchase optional presser feet to sew blind hem, pin tuck, and flat lock stitches. The machine also has a free armored flatbed convertible sewing surface, making it versatile and easy to use. The Brother 1034D also offers a FAST lower looper threading system for easy thread changes, as well as a differential feed for improved sewing results on stretch or thin fabrics. The snap-on presser feet allow for quick and easy changes to transition to each desired stitch. Despite being a beginner machine, the Brother 1034D does not skimp on premium features. It can sew up to 1,300 stitches per minute and allows for easy adjustments to the width of the stitch, from 5 mm to 7 mm. Additionally, you can remove the arm for easier work on thick sleeves and trousers, and adjust the foot pressure for light or heavy fabrics. Overall, the Brother 1034D Serger is a great option for those just starting out in sewing. It is user-friendly and versatile, with a wide range of features that will make your sewing journey more manageable while still producing great results. Coming in at number 4, we have Juki M0654D Portable Serger Sewing Machine. The Juki M0654D is a portable serger machine that is perfect for both home and professional use. This serger machine is packed with features that make it one of the best in its class. This serger is a fantastic addition to any sewing enthusiast's collection. With built-in rolled hemming and the ability to perform all popular overlock and flatlock variations, this serger allows you to create a wide range of fashion styles and home decor items using light to heavyweight fabrics. One of the standout features of the M0654DE is its color-coded threading guides, which make threading the machine a breeze. The one-rotation thread tension dials with normal tensions highlighted also provide simple, consistent tension adjustment, and specially designed guides keep thread in place and ensure proper sewing tension at any speed. The lower looper threader also disengages for fast, easy looper threading, making the process quick and efficient. The multi-purpose presser foot allows for overlock stitches and the ability to add tape, elastic, ribbon, or sequins to your creations. The snap-on presser feet also mean that you can easily change to one of the Juki specialty feet and expand the creative potential of the machine. The heavy-duty knife system operates with a dedicated drive to assure consistent and easy cutting for both light and heavy-weight fabrics. The built-in seam guide also takes the guesswork out of seam allowances, allowing for accurate seam allowances as you go. The lighting on the M0654DE provides optimum lighting to the fabric and needle areas, making it easy to see your work. The M0654DE also features easy stitch length adjustments, using a conveniently located dial. It also comes with a safety switch to protect working fingers. Despite its compact design, it's a powerful machine that performs as well as full-size models, making it a great option for those who value versatility and precision in their sewing projects. Overall, the Juki M0654DE is a fantastic machine for those who are looking for the best portable serger. And finally, in number 5, we have Brother ST4031HD Strong and Tough Serger Machine. Looking for a serger machine that can sew thick and tough fabrics? Well, you'll love this sewing machine from Brother. The Brother ST4031HD heavy-duty serger sewing machine features a robust and durable metal frame, making it an ideal choice for heavy-duty projects, including several layers of heavy fabric. On top of that, this model comes with a heavy-duty blade. That way, sewers can get clean cuts without much effort. They've also included a heavy-duty extension table so that users won't struggle as much. And you can even remove it. To make things even more attractive, they've included a color-coded thread guide on the front side of the sewing machine. So, regardless of your experience, you should still be able to get the basics down. The Brother Strong and Tough Serger is the perfect tool for achieving professional results on a wide range of fabrics, from heavy-duty to lightweight knits. Its industrial-grade blade, made of carbon steel that meets rigorous high durability standards, can cut evenly and smoothly through multiple layers of denim and other tough fabrics. The heavy-duty metal frame provides stability and durability for many years of extended use, even when surging at high speeds. With the ST4031HD, you'll have the creative freedom to tackle layers of denim, difficult knits, and other challenging projects with ease. The Strong and Tough blade is manufactured of strong, durable carbon steel and can cut a smooth, clean edge through heavy fabrics. Serge with confidence on multiple layers of denim, layered knits and heavy-duty fabrics. Professionally cut and finish in one easy step on a wide range of projects. Finally, just like any top-tier sewing machine made by this brand, forming gathers in fabric is super simple, and the results are indeed something else. After much consideration, research, and testing of different brands, I decided to purchase the Brother ST4031HD Serger. In my opinion, it is an unbeatable serger at any price point. The lower looper is incredibly easy to thread in seconds with minimal effort, and the machine is able to sew through multiple layers of denim with ease. The only unusual feature that may take some getting used to is the placement of the presser foot lift on the right side of the machine, but it is not a significant issue. It does not have a built-in thread cutter, but I simply keep snips nearby. It is important to note that it is crucial to use the recommended needle size for optimal performance. All in all, the Brother ST4031HD Serger is a fantastic machine that offers great value for its price. It has a sleek design, easy tension adjustments, and can create rolled hems without needing to change plates. Additionally, the ease and speed of threading the lower looper is truly remarkable. Overall, this is your best bet when it comes to sewing thick layers of fabric. Whether you want to sew several denim layers, form gathers in cloth, or attach a gathered fabric to another material, this model won't let you down.